Hello everyone, this is my review of this Flying Orb Spear. It's battery operated. You could just charge it up with a USB charger, and it has like fans inside it that spins, that gives a bit of a hovering effect, and lights in it. Let's show you what that looks like now. You just press a button on top to turn it on, and once it's on, you give it a shake up and down, and it'll start spinning just like this, and it's ready to play, and you can throw it and it'll hover and stuff. I'm going to take it over to this area where it has a bit more room to fly, so you can see what it looks like when you throw it up in the air. I'm just going to throw it around a bit in the living room and see how much fun we can have with this. You can have a lot of fun with your kids and stuff like that. It's pretty colorful, bright. It floats a bit and can go in different directions. So it might be kind of hard to know where it's going to go at times, but it's still a pretty fun thing to play with. So I hope this review helps.